Summer Infant Medicine Dispenser Kit with Pacifier by SI is one of the best sellers among baby medicine dispensers products. Easy to grip and use syringe. Syringe has a pacifier-style shield that makes syringe safer to use. Attachable tip so the syringe will fit down into most medicine bottles. Easy to fill spoon that stands vertically. Fever alert glow feature indicates fever. Memory feature recalls last reading. Beeps when readings are complete and auto power off preserves battery life. Comfortable orthodontic nipple. Storage cap included for clean storage or travel. The Summer Infant Medicine Dispenser Kit makes it easy for parents to give their child medicine with the easy to grip and use syringe. Includes an attachable tip so it will reach down into most medicine bottles. Also included is an easy to fill spoon that stands vertically for easy filling. Comes with a pacifier thermometer that provides a comfortable and soothing way to take a child's temperature. Convenient memory feature recalls the previous reading so you can monitor your child's progress. The auto power off feature preserves the battery life.